Jai Bhagini, you want to start the prayers today?
Om Shuklam Bharadharam Vishnum Sasivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Page number 58, he said?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ashtapanchasat. Saraswati Mahodaya, you are going to start.
Okay. Is recording going on, Mahodaya?
Yes.
Okay.
Translate into Sanskrit. Call Rama, Krishna and Mohana. Mohana. Ramam, Krishnam, cha Mohanam, cha Ahvayatu.
It is Mohana. So Mohana,
I thought. I don't know. Mohana, then.
Bhagini, Rama Pashyatu, Tatra Akara Upari dash asti kalu, Tataiva Mohana ityukte dash will be there. So this is just a Rasva Mohana.
Mohanam. Okay. Ramam, Krishnam, Mohanam, cha Ahvayatu.
yeah, correct.
Am I going with the rest, or are we taking a couple of each one of us? Two each?
Okay. Two
each?
Yeah.
So there are 10. Yeah. Okay. Gods as well as the demons waged war. Devaha, Asuraha, cha. Devaha, Asuraha, api. Yudyanti. Is it correct? Waged. Yuditavan, Yuditavantaha. Yodhavantaha, is it? Yuddham Krutavantaha. Okay.
That's easier. Correct. I'll do the next. Rama, Lakshmana and Sita went to the forest. Rama, Lakshmana, Sita cha vanam gatvantaha. The sage lives in the forest only. Sage will be sannyasi. Sannyasi vane eva nivasati. Vane eva sannyasi vane eva vasati. Is it correct? Okay. Yeah, Lavanya Madhya, you can do next too.
Mahesh himself has had come here today. Mahesh eva adya atra agattavan. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Maheshaha. Oh, I should have said Maheshaha. There is no time to write a letter either. Patram lekitum samayaha nasti. Either lekitum eva va lekitum eva samayaha nasti. Is it okay? Yeah.
Jayamal.
Go Go only after reading this book. This book, etat pustakam, after reading, patitva, gachatu, you, yeah, eva, etat pustakam patitva, gachatu.
Eva gachatu.
That's eva gachatu, right? Eva gachatu.
Only.
Only is there, right? Yeah. You too come with me.
Patitva eva kila?
Patitva eva.
Go only. The only is for go, verb.
Go only.
No, it is after reading.
Yeah, eva gachatu, right? No?
No, go only after reading this book.
So the only is for the go, right? Gachatu only.
Only is for gacha.
Gachatu.
No, I think it is after reading only.
Yeah, in the answer it is given etat pustakam patitva eva gacha.
So
Just
patitva
below.
eva.
Yeah, just below in the same page there are answers.
Oh.
Okay. Go only after reading this book.
Okay, so the gacha will be okay.
Okay.
You too come with me. You too. You also. Tvam api with me. Maya saha agachatu. Tvam api maya saha agachatu.
Tvam, when you are using tvam, you should say agacha. Right?
Madhyam purusha, yeah, agacha. Tvam
You can
api
also
maya
say
saha
Bhavan.
agacha.
Bhavan also you can say.
Bhavan, right. Yeah, Tvam Bhavan api, yeah. Okay. Yes, okay, my turn is done, sorry.
So Bhavan api, then maya say agachatu, right?
Agachatu. Bhavan asti chet agachatu.
Yeah, Akilamati, your turn.
Okay. As he is earning, he spends as well. Spending. Vikrayana, no.
Way.
Oh, vyay, okay. Saha sampadayati. What is it? Vyay.
Vyayi.
Vyayam.
Okay.
Vyayam karoti.
Okay, vyayi karoti. Vyayanam karoti api. Saha sampadayati vyayanam karoti api.
Correct.
Next. 2 sentences.
Yeah.
The officer comes to the village too. Adhikari gramam api agachati.
So we go to chapter 4.
My turn. It's page 77.
Yes.
Translate the following sentences into English. Here we have 5. Okay. We can take one each.
Maybe you can do all 5.
Okay.
Or one? Okay. We are 5, so we can take one. Correct.
So that everybody will get an opportunity. That's what I'm thinking. Balakaha angulya gananam karoti. Gananam karoti. Balakaha, boy, angulya with the finger, counting. So the boy is counting with the finger. Or counts. The boy counts with the finger.
Counts will be better, I think.
Yeah, counts
Karoti.
with the finger.
Karoti is there.
Counts with the finger.
Yeah. Sa vastra prakshalanam karoti. She cleans the cloth, or she cleans the clothes. Clean or wash?
Washes.
Wash.
She washes clothes.
Shuhu sarvada nidram karoti. Baby always sleeps.
बालाः बालाः अङ्कन्याः उपयोगं कुर्वन्ति. Children using children अङ्कन्याः pens pencils. Upayogam. Okay. Children are using pencils.
Use pen.
Use pen. Kurvanti.
विमर्शकः काव्यस्य परिशीलनं करोति. विमर्शकः. Critic. Critic criticizes the kavya. Actually, it is the criticism of kavya, right? Does criticism of kavya.
Is Parishilinam is more like an examine or reviewing.
Yeah, reviewing or examining. Yeah. The critic examines the lit kavya.
Yeah.
Here they are using the Bhavatyotaka, I think.
Yeah.
Adite adhyayanam karoti. So it can be also told like Vimarshakaha, the critic does the examination of kavya. Kavyasya iti asti.
Correct.
So in that case, everything can be like that only. Like children does the usage of pencils like that can come.
But it is the general translation is correct only because Bhavatyotaka, like we have the two rules, right? Either one is the Shashti one or the Vibhakti form.
It's my turn. I translate the following sentences into Sanskrit. I translate sentences. Aham vakyani anuvadayami. Is it anuvadayami? I said anuvada padhati, so I said anuvadayami.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, that is why they are, if you don't know, if it is a little bit tough to find the verb, that's why they are using this Bhavatyodaka.
Yeah.
See the
Anuvadam
answer,
karoti.
Aham Vakyanam Anuvadam Karomi.
That's what I did before. Yuddham, I don't know Yuddhati or whatever. So I said Yuddham karoti.
Yes. That option we have in Sanskrit.
Yeah. Anil Mahadia.
Yeah. The student writes the answer to the question. Chhatraha prasnasya uttaram dadati. Lake writes, right? Lake likhati. Chhatraha prasnam छात्रः उत्तरं लिखति छात्रः प्रश्नस्य उत्तरं लिखति.
When does the program begin? कार्यक्रमः कदा आरम्भं भवति?
कार्यक्रमः कदा आरम्भं भवति? अत्र आरम्भं भवति इति वयं, if we are splitting, then it should, the previous thing should go for Shashti, right?
कार्यक्रमस्य
Kada arambhayati, otherwise, like first thing Saraswati ji said, no? I translate sentences. Aham, Saraswati ji, what do you say? Aham vakyani anuvadayami.
It has to be कार्यक्रमस्य आरम्भं कदा भवति अथवा कार्यक्रमं कदा आरम्भते something like that. Arambate
that Kriya Padam is like,
Because when we are doing it alone, we won't be able to get it. But just because we are doing under the concept of this Bhavadyata, we can get a sense of it. Otherwise, it will be very difficult, I think, to find this.
Jayanti Bhagini and
Namaste.
Mahodaya, page number 77 in the book.
Thank you.
So I think this can be done like this also, right? Karyakramah kada arambham bhavati.
Page 77.
I think because kada arambham bhavati? Karyakramasya or karyakramam?
No, I'm not. Say we can join also. So then start. So when is the start of the program? Then it is karyakramasya arambha. Or when the program is going to start.
That also we can
separate,
say.
right?
That's true.
Karyakramah kada arambhah bhavati va? Bhavan kim uktava?
Kada arambham bhavati.
Arambham bhavati.
But he said karyakramam, right?
No, karyakramah.
Karyakramaha.
Okay. Karyakramah. Okay.
Excuse me, 1 minute. Page 77 in this book.
Parichaya.
Yes.
Yes.
Page 77. Okay.
Here in translate the following sentences into Sanskrit.
Just above the Sandhi thing.
We are in the fourth.
All right. Thank you.
Fourth.
Okay.
Okay, so the Anil Mahodaya, repeat what you said about when does the program begin? What are the different forms it can be?
So one is karyakramah kada arambham bhavati. Another could be karyakramasya arambah kada bhavati.
Katam karyakramasya, how?
That is
How that is
Bhavadyotaka.
Shashti.
Like adhyayanam karoti adite iti asti kalu.
That is actually not direct translation. If you try to do literal translation, that is not correct. When does the program begin? Because karyakramasya arambha kada bhavati means when is the beginning of the program? It translates like that. Okay.
But in this exercise, we are doing like Bhavadyotaka, no?
Yeah.
So Arambaha Bhavati?
No, then it will be Karyakramah Kada
No, Karyakramasya Arambaha Kada Bhavati?
That doesn't sound really good actually if you ask.
No, I mean in my book the print has gone, so I'm asking what it is.
Yeah, print is that only. Print is Karyakramasya Arambha Kada Bhavati. But somehow it doesn't sound very nice.
In the answer.
So
but Karyakramasya arambah kada bhavati. But in page number 76, see the lowest, the one down. However, intransitive verbs like, no, not that one. The
Shashti Bhakti.
Just below the examples, by using adhyayanam karoti instead of adhite, the same idea is used, conveyed. Although almost all verbs can thus be split, simple verbs need not be split. The next paragraph. However, care should be taken in doing so because the object get accusative case when the actual or direct verb is used.
And gets
possessive case when the verb is split up. So the English translation can be anything, but when we are trying to do in Sanskritam, we have to follow this rule. Pustakam adite, pustakasya adhyayanam karoti. So when we are using adhite, it should be pustakam only. And when we are using adhyayanam karoti, then it should be pustakasya sashti. So karyakramasya adhyayanam. So here we are splitting, no? Arambam bhavati iti.
So should it be Karyakramasya Arambam Kada Bhavati?
Yeah, I think so.
Karyakramasya Arambaha iti dattamatra.
But it should be Arambham then, right?
Arambaha. Arambaha.
Because seeing all other answers, it looks like it should be Arambam.
Mm. Mm. Now, when splitting,
Example can follow.
उदाहरणम्
उदाहरणं सर्वे षष्ठी विभक्ति प्रयोगात् द्वितीय विभक्ति एव अस्ति इति कारणात् अहमपि चिन्तयामि आरम्भम्
आरम्भम्
अनिल महोदय करेक्ट उदाहरणं
I think that's
कार्यक्रमस्य प्रारम्भं कदा भवति
आरम्भं कदा भवति?
yeah. Maybe Akhil Amadya, you can take up the next.
Ah.
Or Jaya Amadya has done. I don't
Yeah,
know.
they can take. Jaya Bhagini, you can do the fourth one.
Yeah, I'm doing the fourth one. The minister delivers the speech. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me? Minister delivers the speech. Mantri speech is it some bhashanam?
भाषणं
Speech is bhashanam. Mantri bhashanam karoti.
उत्तमं सचिवः भाषणं
Sachivah bhashanam karoti.
Mantri is also.
delivers the
Mantri.
speech. Okay.
दीयते, why can't we say दीयते?
Diyate is karmani, right?
Karmani.
So it should be mantrina.
Oh, sorry.
सचिवः भाषणं करोति
Karoti.
But karo delivers, no? The word
Delivers.
what is अरे यहाँ पे मंत्री कार भाषणम करोति. Correct.
Or if you want to say using da dhatu, then you can say Mantri Bhashanam Dadati.
No, dadati is giving. That is not correct, I think.
No, when you say Diyate, that is correct.
I thought delivers. Aham chintiyami deliver.
Yeah.
Delivered word we don't have in Sanskritam.
No, deliver is giving only.
No.
Deliver.
Sending.
Atra bhavam, based on the bhavam, they are giving us karoti.
Yeah. So for Jayanti Mahodaya, and we have been doing this for quite some time. What we have understood in the translation, we get the words for literal thing, but then we get the meaning and translate it. So then it would be good rather than doing literal translation. If we read the essence and do the translation, most of the times it works out better.
Okay.
Yeah, that is a very important thing while doing translation.
So that's what earlier I was also in that mode, doing literal translation, but then I realized it doesn't make sense many times.
Astu.
Yeah. Fifth
Let
one.
us practice Sanskrit.
Yeah.
Let us. Let us. Oh, sorry. Who is going to do this?
Yeah, you can try. Yeah, you try.
Sorry. Let us. Aham chintiyami. Let us ityukte prarthana mode. Prarthana mode.
Correct.
Karotu. Let us is a karoti. Karotu kurtah kurvanti.
वयं
Vayam Sanskritam Samskrita Patanam Kurmaha.
वयं संस्कृतपठनं
Practice.
संस्कृत अभ्यासं
Samskrita Abhyasam Kurmaha. Is that fine?
Kurma. You said the lot, no? Lot. What is a lot for Vayam?
Oh, no, Vayam, Aham, Vayam, that doesn't change.
Yeah, that is correct. Kurmaha is for lat, right? Karoti, kurtaha, kurvanti, karoti.
no.
Romi, kurvaha, kurmaha. Let us is there, so you have to go for lot.
Lot, right.
You have given the clue there.
Oh, karvama, karvama, karavama. Here it
पुनः
is.
एकवारं वदतु महोदय.
Vayam Samskrita Abhyasam Karvama.
So now because it is Abhyasam, it is Bhavadyotaka, so it has to precede with a Sashti.
षष्टि.
Oh,
संस्कृतस्य अभ्यासं
आम्.
oh,
संस्कृतस्य वयं संस्कृतस्य अभ्यासं करवामः.
Either it can be like vayam samskritam abhyasama, like that, or samskritasya abhyasam karvama.
Samskritasya Abhyasam Karvama.
Or samskritam abhyasayama. I don't know whether
Yeah, something like that. So that's why when it is tough, we do this Bhavadyotaka.
yeah.
That
When it is difficult to find the exact verb, we can go for bhavatyotaka.
So when you say Bhava Yogita, that always means Shashti Vibhakti plus Dvitiya Vibhakti.
द्वितीय.
Yeah. It is
Karoti,
not
and also it comes
but-
always with Karoti.
Yeah,
It is actually not the adhyayanam or patanam. Is it dvitiya? They are
No.
just splitting. They
No,
are
no,
just splitting.
it is actually Napunsaka Linga Prathama Vibhakti.
Pratama eva.
Oh,
That is actually a noun. Gamanam, like that.
Yeah, it is a Napunsaka, always Napunsaka Linga.
Napumsakalinga.
We have to take it as split, the splitted verb. The splitted verb should be preceded by a sashti.
Astu. So there's a message.
Yeah, delivering of the speech in according to spoken Sanskrit is Ishnati.
Ishnati? Ikshnati? Ikshnati.
Krishna.
Ishnati, not Ikshnati.
Ish.
Oh.
Ish,
इष्णाति.
Ishnati. Ishtam, Ishnati.
It is easier to write that.
Yeah, that is why Bhashanam is easy.
I won't even remember Ishnati. I just happened to see just for a vocabulary check.
Fine. Okay, so now we'll go to the next chapter.
Oh, next chapter?
Yeah, this one is over. That many only examples.
Okay.
So next chapter. it is-
Panchama Pataha.
Panchama Pataha page. Oh, Panchama Pata api abhyasa nasti.
We are telling about phrases here.
Phrases. The rules of passive. Give me the page number.
Yeah, we are just
95.
traversing.
95.
95 just no abhyasa there.
Yeah, no abhyasa.
Go to the next one. Next one.
114.
Yeah, even there, I don't think there are abhyasa. The next is 7th chapter. There we have abhyasa.
Which one?
Shatatraya trimshat.
शतत्रय.
Shata.
63. 63, right?
No.
Oh, शतत्रय. 103. 103.
Traya trimshat.
त्रयत्रिंशत्. Oh,
130. Yeah.
133.
Astu.
Asta.
Ramamurthy Mahodaya can start.
What is it?
Which one?
You know what? Why we got confused, Anil Mahodaya? In Sanskrit, you go from units place onwards. So, like Ashtotram, the
Oh,
Shatam should
right,
come
right.
later.
Oh, is it that? Traya trimshat.
Think so.
Atika.
त्रय अधिक शतम्.
Astu. If, what he has to read?
Adhika Shatam.
Which one? Bhagini?
Yeah.
We are on page number 133, the down one.
Down one.
Write the
Write
past and past participle form.
participle. That one, write the past tense and past participle forms following verbs.
Yeah.
Okay. Pari plus Ganayati. The panunga.
Pari plus Ganayati.
Example adu udaharanam. Pari aganayat. Paryanganayat.
illa. Idu Pari plus Harati. That is the one.
Oh, right.
Udahana also you can read. That will give idea.
Okay. Pari plus Ganayati is equal to Pari plus Aganayat equals Pariya Ganayat. Pari Ganitavan. Pari Ganitavan. So Pari plus Harati. Pariya.
சொல்லுங்க இப்படியே சொல்லுங்க பரி
Pari plus
அஹரியத்
Aharat. Pariyaharat.
Correct.
Samyakva.
Am,
Pariyaharat.
am.
Then Pariya no Pariya
ஹரித்தவான்
alla Haritavana.
Correct.
ஹரித்தவான்
Haritavan.
Hru dhatu.
Pariya.
ஹரதி means hunting
No.
Harati. Taking away.
taking
Pariganitavan. So how it is?
Pariganitavan is the Tavatu form.
Tavatu form, huh?
Whereas the Paryaganayat is the Lang.
Paryahritavan.
Paritavan.
Paritavan.
Parihritavan.
See, the background here is that the lung lakara form becomes little complicated because we have to translate and then attach the suffix. That's why it became pari aganayat, paryaganat. So to make it easier, we typically go for tavatu form. So there we don't have this confusion. So we just convert into the tavatu form. So ganayati becomes ganitvan, and then we just attach the suffix pariganitvan. So there is no sandhi there.
So it then what it becomes then? Pariharitavan?
Yes.
Parihritavan. Hritavan. Hritavan. The dhatu is hru. So harati is hritavan. So pariharati is parihritavan.
Parihritavan.
You have to separate this upasarga, then find the tavatu form for harati and then just attach.
Okay. Parihritavan. Okay.
It will be helpful. Why don't we
Yeah, you
read
can
I
this?
didn't follow that.
Previous-
I didn't follow why you put that
Mahodaya, there is a in 133 they have given a column. If you read that, you will get.
Why don't we read? Mahodaya,
Yeah.
go ahead and read that page.
இத படிங்க
So present, past participle.
Why don't you read the entire this lesson only? Because it's
where do you start
Very
here இங்கே
132.
அனுவாத பதத்தி
Anuvada Padati. You know that past principles, Bhuta Kridantaha, are used in place of verbal forms in past tense. Apatat, Paditavan, Paditavati, Paditavat. Alikat, Likitavan, Likitavati, Likitavat. Akaroti, Kritavan, Kritavati, Kritavat. Agachat, Gatavan, Gatavati, Gatavat. For the language to be simple, it is advisable to use past participles. They can be used without making a single mistake. With practice, you can get greater command over the language. You already know that the augment letter A should precede the verb in past tense. Extreme care must be taken if the same verb comes after a preposition. Because the augment A comes before the verb root and after the preposition and not before the preposition. Pra plus harati, praharati is a verb in the present tense. When changed into past tense, the letter A comes after pra plus aharat. So praharat is the correct form in the past tense. Apraharat is wrong. Observe a few other examples. So what is this past participle? What is it?
Krudanta Mahodaya, Tavatu, Paditavan, Gatavan. They are the Krudantas.
பழைய past tense சொல்றது
right, right.
நான் கதாமா
There are-
பண்ணிருக்கோம்.
பண்ணிருக்கோம் சரி, but that word, the participle, I am getting confused with that.
There are two ways
Present.
to use the past tense. Either we can go for the apatat or paditavan. But paditavan is easy. That is what they are coming to say.
Right. Okay. So present, past, lang lakaraha, past participle. Viharati, strolls merrily. Vi plus aharat, vyaharat. Then lang lakaraha, and then the past participle is vihritavan. Vihritavan. Samharati, kills. Sam
Yeah,
plus
that is
aharat.
what it is. The past participle is the tavatu pratyaya.
Tavatu pratyaya. Vihritavan. Hru. Samharati. Sam plus aharat. Samharat.
Samaharat.
Huh?
Samaharat.
Samaharat. Then samhritavan. Past participle. Svikaroti, receives. Svi plus akarot. Swaya karot. Swaya karota.
Because of sandhi. E plus a becomes ya.
Yeah, because of the yan.
N sandhi.
Okay. Svikritavan. Upavishati, sits. Upa plus avishat. Upavishat. Because of the dirgha. A plus a. Then upavishtavan. Then uttishtati, stands up. Ut plus atishtat equals udatishtat. Uttishtavan. No, utitavan. Uttitavan. Prakshalayati, washes, cleanses. Pra plus akshalayat. Prakshalayat. Then prakshalitavan. Agachati, comes. A plus agachat. Agatavan. Udaharati, quotes, gives an example. Ut plus a plus aharat. Udaharat. Udahritavan. Prapnoti, obtains. Pra plus apnot equals prapnot. Praptavan. Then angi karoti, accepts. Angi plus akarot. Angyakarot. Angi kritavan. This shows that this shows that the use of past participle forms is easy.
So always add tavatu pratyaya for past tense.
Yeah, it is easy to use tavatu for past.
Okay. Astu.
Yeah, now maybe you can do one.
Mahodaya, you can do one couple of examples.
Okay.
Prati plus a plus gachati. So what is this next one?
ரெண்டு சொல்றான் நினைக்கிறேன். பிரதி plus agachati.
The pratyagachati then.
Correct.
Yes.
Pratyagachati.
अत्र उपसर्गद्वयम् अस्ति.
Oh.
Prati plus a is upasargam. Okay. Then
So gachati translate into lung first.
You have to do with lung first.
Which lung one? Which one first?
Gachati you have to make
Gachati.
lung form.
Oh.
Gatavan பண்ணிடணும்.
No, lung.
Lung.
Oh, pratyagatavan.
First
No.
lung, not tavatu.
Oh, lung. Agachat.
Agachat. Then
So
you
pratyagachat.
Yes.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
you do the tavatu form.
Then pratyagatavan.
Gatavan. Correct.
Then pra plus vishati. Oh, I follow what you are saying. Pra plus vishati. Then that means avishat, right?
Yes.
Then pra avishat. So pravishat. Then
Vishati means what?
vishati means what?
Enter.
Anil Mahodaya, you have to speak louder. I can't.
Enter.
enter.
Dhanyawad.
Pravishat. Then this will become Pravishtavan.
Correct.
Evening serious.
Yeah. Now, Akila Mode, you want to try?
Yeah, I will try. A plus nayati, A plus anayat. So A plus A nayat. Otherwise, in Tavatu, it will be Anitavan.
Tavatu Anitavan.
Anitavan. Pari plus nayati, Pari plus anayat, Pariyanayat, Parinitavan. The Tavatu is Parinitavan.
White is Anayati because of Rakara.
Marriage.
Rakara.
No.
No, he is asking the Natvam. Natvam is applying.
Yeah, but in the verb for marrying is there will be a natvam, parinayati.
Yeah, that
Because
is
of Rakara.
the root.
Because of the rakara.
The root is Nayati, right?
The Nayati eva with Pari, because of Rakara, it becomes Na. Murdanyana.
So then in Tavatu form it will become
Parinitavan.
Nitavan. Okay.
Also, that is also Natvam. Parinitavan.
You want to
So
try?
that also is Murdanyana, right? Parinitavan.
See, I think whenever the Ra comes, immediately our thing should say, hey, this is not the normal Na, this is that different Na. That is Ra, Sha and Sha, right? All this thing comes, that Na becomes other one, other Na.
Sha and Rikar. Ri.
Ra, Ri, all are same, no?
No. Ru. Rushi. Ru. That one. Ru.
Oh.
Even that one. When Anil Mahadia is saying Ri, that's what he meant.
Yeah,
Oh,
Rinam.
sorry.
Yeah, Rinam is one word. Rinam.
Sorry, Anil Mahadia.
No problem. Akila Mode, you can do one more.
Yeah, okay.
Anil Mahodaya. Tava Ustad.
Pra plus Vartate. Vartate is Atmanepati. So pra plus Avartata. Pravartata. So the Tavatu form is Pravartitavan. Is that? Pravartitavan. Pravartitavan.
Yes. Yeah.
Someone else can do.
Okay. Ni plus vartate, ni plus avartata. So nyavartata, ni plus vartitavan, nivartitavan. Sam plus charati, sam plus acharat, samacharat. Then sam plus charitavan is charitavan.
Yes.
Sancharitavan. San with the
Yeah.
Sancharitavan. Lavanya Mahodaya, you want to try?
Sam plus tushyati, sam plus atushyat, samatushyat, santushtavan.
Santushtavan, right?
Santushtavan. You do one more or who's
Yeah, pra plus bhavati is there, no?
Yeah, do the second one. Next one.
Pra plus bhavati, pra plus abhavat, prabhavat, pra plus bhavitavan, bhavitavan va?
Yeah.
Bhutavan.
Yeah.
Prabhutavan. Prabhutavan.
Now, Ashtam part here.
So the answer, the Tavatu is Prabhutavan.
Yes.
Prabhutavan.
So what's the next page number?
150 अधिक शतम.
Panchash.
156. Panchashat.
एक पंचाशत.
Eka pancha 151.
Eka Panchashat. Translate into English. Translate to English.
Yeah, I'll do that. Translate into English. उत्तमानि एतानि चित्राणि भवान् कुत्र क्रीतवान्? एतानि, these nice pictures भवान् कुत्र क्रीतवान्? Where did you buy these nice pictures?
Bhavan is a respected word, right? Is there a sir? Where did you buy?
That's okay in English.
But if you say sir, it should be Mahodaya, something like that, Kalu.
You instead of Bhavan, you use the word you in English.
Yeah.
That's it.
Oh,
Where did you, like that? Where did you
see.
buy?
Or we can say, where did you respectful you?
Yes. Respectfully, where did you buy it?
No, that will mean different thing. That buying is respectful then.
Then respectful will become a Visheshana to Bhavan. So
Bhavan.
it will become wrong.
Uttamani etani chitrani.
I'll do one more. Unnatat vrikshat parnam apatat. Unnatat is tall, vrikshat. So leaf falls from tall tree.
No, fell.
Oh, okay, fell. Leaf fell from tall tree.
From tall.
Yeah. Now, Akila Madhya, you can.
Oh, okay. Vishalayam nadyam meenaha santi. Fishes are there in broad river.
Wide river.
Wide river. Wide is correct.
And it will be fish only, because in English, plural of fish is fish only.
Oh, okay.
No, you can use the word fishes. When you have different varieties of fish, you can use the word fishes. It means different varieties.
I doubt, because fish.
Yeah, that is correct. Yeah, I have also remember my daughter's grammar. Fishes only. Fish only. It's not fishes.
No, that's what I'm saying. When you want to be very specific about the varieties, then you use the word fishes.
No,
Otherwise, use fish.
Fishes
Fish
word
is
don't
safe.
exist. Fishes
Yeah.
is incorrect
The
word.
plural for fish is fish only.
Oh,
In
in English, malum nahi hai. Now we are learning. Now I have to go and learn English also.
I don't think we should lose marks for making mistake in English. So it's okay.
But it
This will also be
translate into English also?
Sorry, what did you say?
In exam, will they ask translate into English, or it will be
Yeah.
Yeah, it will be there.
No, both will be there.
Okay.
We will be writing lot of answers, not just Anuvada Paddhati, the other Kavya Katha, everything. We have an option to write in English as well. So there, if we make a grammar mistake, I don't think we will be judged for that.
Next.
I'm thinking if I don't know the word, I'm going to put it in Tamil. That's what I'm
Same case. I write in Tamil only.
Yeah. In
Frozen.
fact, ours is Tamil.
Yeah, she is back.
Our question papers.
Yeah, one more sentence I'll do. Etat pustakam bhavan paditavan va. Have you read this book?
Have you read this book? Yes.
The respectful you.
Yeah. Okay. Who goes next?
Your turn.
Oh, okay. Tasya aksharani sundarani. Tasya means his words are beautiful.
Akshara is word or letters?
Letters.
Yeah, but here let's not do literal translation. So understand the meaning. What is the bhava here?
Akshara, I mean, I'm thinking it's words.
No, when you're saying tasya aksharani sundarani, so what are you talking about?
I'm thinking that he talks sweetly, Maduram.
Right.
No, likitam.
Tasya aksharani sundarani.
Written form.
Why do you say it's written?
Because it is beautiful. You can't describe a word that comes out as beautiful. The visual thing can be described as beautiful. Generally, in general terms, we would normally say his handwriting.
Oh, I see. Astu. So it is basically his handwriting is sweet, cute,
No, his handwriting is beautiful.
beautiful. I see.
Yeah, in Tamil we say கையெழுத்து நன்றாக இருக்கின்றது. கையெழுத்து.
Oh,
So எழுத்து. That's what it is, Aksharani.
I see. Okay, thank you.
If it is spoken, then it will be, as you said, sweet. It will not be beautiful. It will be sweet.
Sweet. Maduram.
Maduram, yeah.
Astu. Etasyam latayam sundarani pushpani santi. Etasyam latayam. I think they are all some Saptami Vibhakti. Like in this climbing climbers, beautiful flowers are there.
Etasyam latayam.
Okay. Now is your turn. Translate in Sanskrit. Let all people do work.
Let all people do work. Sarve karyam. La sarve na adu idu. Sarvebhyaha. Alladu sarveshu karyam.
No, all people is in Prathama only, no?
I think Sarveshu.
All people.
Let all people do work.
Oh, sarve karyam.
Work. Do.
Do.
Karotu nu varada.
No, survey is there. Survey is there and let is there. So lot. Let comes, it is lot.
Sarve karyam.
Kurvantu, no?
Kurvantu.
But survey here only means all. And one more word called people. So let all people.
Sarve janaha.
Sarve janaha sukhino bhavantu.
Ade mari sarve janaha. So he writes at the sentence.
He writes with a beautiful pen. With a beautiful pen. Bhavan Sundarani.
It is he.
No. Sundara he. Bhavan is he. I can say
You.
Bhavan.
Bhavan is you.
You. Oh, okay.
Saha.
Saha. Beautiful pen. Beautiful is the Sundaram.
Pen is
Sundaram. Pen is Lekani. Writes with a Saha. It has to be a
with the pen.
Likati.
Saha likati. Saha likati. Saha.
so.
With, he writes with.
Saha. Sundare.
You can do one by one.
Sundarena.
First, the pen is what lingam? You first decide that, and then you can go for Visheshana. Object is in what lingam?
Pen is Lekani.
Lekani is in Strilingam.
That is Sri Lingam. So, okay. Then it is Sundarya Saha Sundarya Lekan Sundariya, Lekani.
सुन्दर्या तावदेव
Ah,
तादृशमेव लेखनी अपि लेखन्या
Lekanya Likati.
आम् आम्
He writes within a two lines.
அது ஸ்திரீலிங்கமா இருக்கு.
Lavanya Mahodaya did not get a chance. We skipped it.
There are 100 students in this room. एषः एतस्मिन् विद्यालये शतछात्राः सन्ति. शत should be शत or शतं छात्राः? शतछात्राः.
शत एव इति चिन्तयामि.
चित्रं पश्यामि.
शतं.
Oh, they have written number.
Sapta.
The answers they have written 100 number.
No, just like Ashta, Sapta, Pancha. Shata is there. Shata.
Shata.
We can also follow the same trick. We don't know.
Number can be a number, but I think we have to write it in Sanskrit number. How many flowers are there in that garland? Mala is garland.
Background noise.
Oh, sorry. It is my background noise. Someone else do it. It's okay.
That's okay.
No. Someone is on phone here, so it will be noisy. So anyone else go ahead. That's okay.
How many flowers are there in that garland? In that garland, sa mala malayam. In that garland, right? Malayam tasyam malayam kati pushpani santi. In whom are there no faults? In whom? Kasya in kasmin faults is what fault? What is fault?
दोषः.
Huh?
दोषः.
Doshah. Doshani faults. Doshaha. Kasmin doshaha na santi. Whose turn is next?
Use some more word there, it will be more meaningful, like kasmin jane or
Okay.
something.
Yeah, kasmin kasmin janeshu rameshu.
Kasmin also
Rama.
should be lahu.
But why we should add extra words? There is no
Whom?
janaha in this.
Yeah,
It
jane.
just says
Kasmin
whom are there no faults? Why should I say people?
Yeah.
I
Kasmin
mean,
is
I
also
don't
correct.
understand why we should
Kaha
add
itself is masculine, right? So kasmin can be masculine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kasmin can also be okay, but in answer they have given Kasmin Manushye.
See,
Kasman Manushya
That's I don't understand why.
Doshaha na santi.
that's
I
what
mean, in exam, I won't add anything extra.
Yeah. Kasmin is also correct only. Kasmin doshaha nasti. Na santi.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do next. There are diverse people in this world. There are diverse people. There bahuvidaha janaha. World is sansare. Sansare bahuvidha janaha santi.
Sansare. Saptami. Sansare.
Jagataha.
Loke.
Okay. So this also is there. Wait. This is etas. Etasmin loke bahuvidaha janaha santi.
Etasmin loke bahuvidaha janaha.
If for this answers are where are the answers?
Page
238 it says
Page
page.
238.
Jayanti Bagini Nasti, Jaya Bagini Nasti va?
Yeah, she just dropped.
Okay, I'll do one more.
Done.
Translate
Yeah.
the following sentences into Sanskrit. Use only past participles. Tavatu form. Gatavan, Uktavan. Rama went to the forest. Rama vanam gatavan. Okay. So Lavanya Madhya, you want to do now?
क्षम्यतां महोदय, पेज नंबर पृष्ठसङ्ख्या 152. वसन्त ऋतौ सर्वत्र पुष्प उपरि रामः वनं वेण्ट् टु द फारेस्ट् रामः वनं गतवान्. Shall I do one more?
Yes.
He spoke the truth. सः सत्यं उक्तवान्.
Whose turn is?
Akila Madhya, you can do it.
I ate the best fruit. Aham uttamam palam kaditavati. Did you go to the cinema? Tvam chalanachitram gatavan va.
Chalanachitra Mandiram. Answer is.
Jaya Mahodaya, you want to say?
Yeah,
You want to take?
I
Page
think
152.
I think Chalanachitram means video. Cinema means the place. So Chitra Mandiram.
Chitra Mandiram.
Chitra Mandiram.
152 page, Jaya Mahodaya.
152.
Yes.
Is that 152 you said?
Yeah.
Yes.
152, number 5.
5 and 6.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay. Many people had come to the program. Bahujanaha कार्यक्रमाय आगतवन्तः.
It should be Bahavaha, right?
To the program is what? Karikrame?
Kramaya.
The program.
Kramaya Chaturthi.
Chaturthi.
Or we can say
Bahavaha.
Kramartham.
Also. Yeah, Kramartham. So Bahavaha Janaha?
Bahavaha Janaha Karyakramaya Agachanti.
Is Bahu a Nitya Bahuvachanam word or is it?
Bahavaha is like it doesn't change, na? Abhyayam.
That's what I'm also thinking. Bahavaha.
Can we say Aneka Janaha?
Aneke. Anekaha, Aneko, Aneke. It's like Sarva Shabdam.
Sarva Shabdam, yeah. It is like Sarva.
Anekaha Janaha?
Aneke. Anekaha, Aneko, Anekaha.
Anekaha Janaha. Karikramaya
Agatavantah.
But in India, Bahu has 3 forms. Bahu, Bahuhu, Bahu, Bahavaha.
Yeah, like Guru Shabdam. Guru.
The female also has Bahvi.
Yeah, so here if you want to put it with the Janaha, it should be Bahavaha.
Bahavaha Janaha.
Actually, the answer is not correct.
So why it is program is Chaturthi? Because they came for the program.
Yeah, to the program, right? To.
There is a rule for Gachati. So Agachati, you can use either Chaturthi Vibhakti or Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Dvitiya also, right? For Gachati we can use Chaturthi.
So in this also it is correct to you, probably correct to use Bahavaha Janaha Karyakramam Gachati. Karyakramam Gatavantaha.
Gatavantaha.
Agatavantah.
Agatavantah.
Agata.
Gam dhatu can go with Dvitiya as well as Chaturthi.
Dvitiya as well as, yeah, we can do it. Only for that dhatu.
Gam dhatu.
Yeah. So are we going to do one only or two?
Yeah, one.
Yeah, do the next one. Sita wrote a story.
Okay. Sita wrote a story. Sita wrote a story. Katha likhitavati.
Katam.
Katham likhitavati. Katham. Katham likhitavati.
That's Navam class.
$172.
Actually, 9th chapter we had already done. So
We will do because
guys are
Super Express.
Jayanti.
Sorry.
Mahodaya. Jayanti Mahodaya, you can take.
Translate the following sentences in Sanskrit according to the rule of passive voice. 1. Milk must be drunk. Kshiram patavyam. Fruit must be eaten. Palam katavyam.
Khaditavyam.
Kaditavyam. Palam kaditavyam. Kaditavyam or katavyam?
Aditavyam.
Kaditavyam. Animals must be protected. Mrigaha Shratavyam.
Shratavyam.
Tratavyam.
Mrigaha.
Must be protected.
Mrigaha iti bahuvachane asti kila.
Mrigaha.
Oh.
Oh.
But Tavatu Pratyaya doesn't change.
This
based
is not
upon-
Tavatu. This is Tavyat and Aniyar.
Okay.
Yeah, that is correct. It won't change. It won't change because it is Karmani Prayoga.
Oh.
So
Mrigaha-
Mrigaha Tratavyam.
No, atra Mrigaha, I think animals must be protected by us. So animals is Dvitiya Vibhakti, right?
Mrigaha.
No. It will be in Pratama.
Pratama only, animals.
Karmani.
No, I'm saying in passive it becomes like that.
But Tavyat Aniyar will be in Karmani form. So Mrigaha Tratavyam.
Tratavyam.
No, Mrigaha.
Mrigaha bahuvachanam
You
illaya?
follow the Pratama, right?
No, Mrigaha.
Mrigaha will be in Pratama Vibhakti, Bahuvachanam. That is correct. Tratavyam, since it is Bhave form, it will be in Tratavyam eva. Ekavachanam eva.
Tratavyam, it should be in, if you use
Rakshaniyam.
Dhatu?
Rakshitavyam, Rakshaniyam.
No, Rakshaniyam.
Rakshaniyam,
There
Rakshitavyam.
is no here in this case. The karma padam is animals. The kartru padam is not given.
Yeah.
That is the reason why we don't know.
So
That is why it will always be in Ekavachanam.
no. So
No.
Then
Oh.
No,
it should be Rakshaniya.
Rakshaniyaha.
Rakshaniyaha, right?
Rakshaniyaha.
I think
Rakshaniyaha, Rakshitavyaha.
Because here Karma Padam is there, but the Kartru is not there. So we have to go with the Karma Padam's Vibhakti and whatever.
Yeah, animals must be protected by us. So asmabihi mrigaha rakshaniyaha. So asmabihi is not there.
Okay. I think the previous one is also not correct. Jayanti Mahodaya, can you redo the first one also? Fruit must be eaten.
Fruit must be eaten.
So what should I'm actually very careful. Fruit must be eaten by us, like that I should say.
Yeah.
Don't use us. Just imagine.
Okay. Phalam kaditavyaha.
Palam is singular only.
Khaditavyam.
Aditavyam.
Palam is
That is what I said, but you guys said it's wrong.
Yeah, no, it's not wrong. We said just rethink. Let's redo it.
It's not fruits. It is just fruit, singular.
So palam is okay then.
Yeah, palam kaditavyam.
Yeah.
Okay.
He is just trying to confuse you.
Or we can say palam bhoktavyam. Bhoktavyam.
Nahi. Balam bhoktam, you are enjoying it.
Yeah.
Nahi, but this is not enjoying, you are eating.
Okay.
Yeah. So
No.
animals must be protected is mrigaha, tratavyaha.
Ta, nahi, ta.
Oh, that.
Tra.
Trata.
Rayati.
This ta.
Rayati.
So
Why I will use Rakshaniyam. Rakshaniya.
Yeah, that is easy.
Rakshaniyaha, right?
Rakshaniya.
Translation must be done. Bhasha translation.
Anuvad.
Anuvadam.
Anu. What is it?
Anuvadaha.
Anuvadam.
Okay. Anuvadam karaniyam.
Actually, Anuvadaha. That is in Pullinga.
Anuvadah. Okay.
Then what will be the Tavatufchi? The Aniyar form.
Anuvadah. Karaniyam.
Kartavyava. Adhe mari bodu vyavyan.
Anuvadah karaniyah.
Karaniyaha or Kartavyaha.
Then sentences must be written. Sentences. Vakyani lekitavyani. No. Vakyani lekitavyam.
Vakyani iti asti. What you said
Vakyani
was correct.
Yeah, what
lekitavyani.
he said is right, actually. What he already said is right.
Lekitavyani or Lekaniyani.
Oh, lekaniyani. Okay.
The Tavyat form, Aniyar form. What you said was correct only.
No, now I am confused. What I said.
Vakyani lekitavyani.
Okay.
So there are two forms like Tavyat form and Aniyar form. Lekaniyani, Lekitavyani. Lekaniyani is Aniyar, Lekitavyani is Tavyat.
Okay. Thank you.
I think here there is a. I belong to your group. These are younger generation. It's so
No, when we write, we will think slow. Here we are thinking too fast and trying to confuse ourselves. So when we write the exam, we will be slow.
The one thing I like about it, notwithstanding my vruddhabhyam or whatever, I think studying, keeps me sort of out of harm's way because I keep my mind occupied. So there is no room for any loose or empty talks. And working with you guys, I think you are all much younger people. We draw a lot of inspiration. Yeah.
Otherwise, we are also lonely, so nobody is in the sense, because of the COVID 2 years, we also don't want to entertain anybody, home, and we also don't go out. Yes.
You people are inspiration, our inspiration actually, because like whenever we feel like we have to drop it out, then we think of you.
Thank you.
Yeah, so Saraswati Madhya, you want to start again the sequence?
songs must be sung. Yeah, songs must be sung. Geetani, Geetavyam, Geetavyani.
Gatavyam here.
Gatavyam.
Gatavyani.
Gatavyani, Gataniyan. Ganiyani or Gatavyani.
Hey, 1 minute. You are saying all this yani thing, but in this case it says must be sung Gatavyam only.
Yeah, that is just a hint it is given. It is not the answer.
Oh, it's not. Okay.
So Geetam asti chet Gatavyam. Geetani means Gatavyani.
Gatavyani. Geetani, Gatavyani, Geetani, Ganiyani. If you use aniyar, it is ganiyani. If you use
Ganiyani.
tavyat, it is gatavyani.
Gatavyani.
Yeah, one more you can do, Saraswati Mahodaya.
Cleanliness must be maintained. Shubhrata or swachhata. Swachhata maintained. Acharaniya.
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 Acharitavyam.
Acharitavya.
Acharitavya.
Acharitavya. Okay. Yeah, I'll do the next one. Books must be sold. Pustakani vikretavya. Pustakani vikretavyaani. Or pustakani vikriniyani.
Vikraya.
Oh, vikrayani.
Vikrayaniyani.
Vikrayani.
Pretavyam krayaniyam.
Vikranayani.
Sorry, I didn't hear it because your voice was breaking.
Vikranayani.
Vikrayaniyani iti chintayami.
Vikrayaniyani. Vikraya.
Okay. Vikrayaniyani. तो पुस्तकानि विक्रयणीयानि और पुस्तकानि विक्रेतव्यानि. Picture must be sketched. Chitram sketched is draw is, I again forgot the word. Last class.
Picture rachati.
Racha. Okay. Chitram rachitavyam. Chitram rachaniyam.
Rachayitavyam, right? Rachayati. We already had some discussion with the rachati.
Rachayati. So rachayitavyam.
So it should be rachayitavyam. When the 10th gana is used, we have to be careful.
Chitram rachayitavyam or rachaniyam.
Rachaniyam.
Chitram rachaniyam.
It's better to go for aniyar.
Yeah.
Then it's my turn. Okay. Slokas must be read. Shlokaha pataniyaha. Letters must be sent. Pataniyaha patitavyaha. Letters must be sent. Patrani.
Bhagini, shlokas, it is, so why can't it be shlokani?
Shlokaha is pullingam.
Pullingam.
Oh, okay. Astu.
Letters. Patrani preshaniyani preshitavyani. So it's again natvam.
Patrani preshitavyani.
Preshitavyani or preshaniyani.
Preshaniyani.
Lavanya Mahodaya, you can do.
I must climb the tree. Maya vrikshaha. Okay, Maya vrikshaha arodavyaha. The maid servant must wash the clothes. Sevikaya.
Here it says, I must climb the tree. So where is it Maya?
The question is translate into Sanskrit and passive. Passive is karma.
Oh, so we have to change it. Oh, sorry.
The maid servant must wash the clothes. Sevikaya vastrani shalitavyani. Shalaniyani or kshalaniyani.
Jaya Mahodaya.
All must follow the rule. Sarve niyamaha.
Karmani. Passive.
Oh, sorry. All. Asmabhihi.
Sarve.
Sarvaihi. Sarvaihi niyamaha. Follow. Follow. Anucharati.
Acharati.
Palani.
Okay. सर्वैः नियमः पालितव्यः पालनीयः और आचरितव्यः आचरणीयः. The teacher must teach the lesson. अध्यापकः
कर्मणि.
Sorry, क्षम्यताम्. Oh my God. Okay. अध्यापकेन पाठं no अध्यापकेन पाठः बोधनीयः.
You can say the fifth one also.
Okay. The devotee must pray to God. Bhaktena must pray to God. Bhaktena Devaha Nantavyam Namaniya. Devah Namaniyah Nantavyah.
You can prarthaniyaha is more appropriate, I think. Pray.
Namaniya is more like chant.
Namaskaram, right? Namati.
They say pray.
Nama is bow down.
Bow down.
So this is prarthanam karot. Okay. Prarthaniya, prarthitavya.
Prathaniyam.
Prarthitavyah. Prarthitavyah, prarthaniyah. Prarthaniya. Dhanyavad.
Okay. So shall we do 10th, or because 10th is also done actually, or shall we complete it?
Just for Jayanti Mahodaya and Krishnamurti Mahodaya to get some eggs. We will do 10th also.
190.
190.
Navati adhika satam.
Translate. Who is to do? Anil Kumar Mahodaya.
Jayanti Mahodaya.
Oh, Jayanti. Okay. The milk has to be drunk. Shiram Patavyam. I thought we read this. I did not know this matter at all. Aham this matter. Aham na jan. Ham kutrapi na janami.
Matter.
Aham Vishay kinchit api vishayam na janami.
This is also there. You have to pay attention to each and every word.
Vishayah kinchit api na janami.
But if you use kinchit, there should be a word little. There is no little, so don't use kinchit.
Oh, this matter, Vishayam, aham, at all means eva Vishayam na janami. Yeshaha Vishayam eva na janami.
Yeshahana is aham.
This is Etat Vishayam. Etat Vishayam. Aham.
But Vishayam, is it not? Oh,
matter.
Object here.
Astu.
Or you can say etat vastu.
No, but matter is not.
Matter is Vishaya.
Oh, Vishayam only.
Is Vishayaha Napumsakalingam or?
Napumsakalingam eva, but here it is object.
No, that is okay. I'm asking Vishayaha or Vishayam?
Napumsakalingam eva.
Yeah, because otherwise it will become etam or etat. That's the reason I want.
Etam Vishayam eva. If you are saying in Kartari, it should be etam Vishayam aham na janami.
Can I go to the next? He goes to the office by bus. Saha Bus means vahanena karyalayam gacchati.
Lokayanena. Bus is Lokayana.
Bus is Lokayana. Is that okay?
Yeah. You want to try one more? Go ahead.
Okay. I bought the 3 pens for 10 rupees. Aham Trini Lekanyaha.
Lekani is in Strilingam.
Lekani.
So 3 is an adjective to pen.
Oh, Tisra. No, Tisra is not right. Tisra is
Correct.
Correct.
See, I get confused with Tisra, Trini and all.
Tisra is Strilingam. Trini is Napumsakalingam.
Okay.
Trayaha, Tisraha, Trini.
But is it not position? Trayaha, Tisraha, Trini?
No.
No. Three only.
Three.
Okay. Aham Tisraha Lekanyaha.
Dvitiya.
Huh?
What is it? Dvitiya Bahuvachana Rupam for pen. Lekani.
Dvitiya Lekanyam, Lekanim, Lekanyam, Ramarame,
Lekanya.
Nadihi. Lekanihi for 10 rupees. One doubt. I thought that when you say I buy for 10 rupees, you should use Tritiya Vibhakti.
Rupya Kaihi, it's always with Tritiya.
Okay. So
Rupya Kaihi comes with Tritiya.
Rupya Kaihi. Aham Dasha Rupaya Kaihi Trisra Lekanyaha Lekanihi Kritavati.
Very good. Excellent.
Tisraha, Visarga. Don't forget the Visarga.
Everybody's gave a sigh of relief.
No, it is the way we have to do, like word by word. It is the way. It is the you're following the correct path only.
It is not sigh of relief. It was amazing to see you.
It is like I didn't know I have to share with all of you this story. I have 2 grandsons, and the first one is a little slow. Second one is very fast. And the second one is 2 years younger, but he's in a sort of a higher class than the first one. Nobody is caring. The first one does one small question. Everybody is like, you did. Like that, I have one question answer correct. Everybody is so happy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next.
Ramurthy Mohde, you can do.
Talking in Sanskrit is very easy. Oh. Samskrita Sambhashanam Lagu.
Saral.
Very easy. Lagu.
Saral.
Asti. Samskrita Sambhashanam Lagu Asti.
Saral.
Sarala.
And when you talk
in Sanskrit,
it is Tritiya.
In Sanskrit. Samskrite Bhashanam Lagu Asti.
Tritiya.
Samskrite
Tritiya.
Bhashanam pesardana. Samskrite Sambhashanam Saralam Asti.
Samskrita should go in Tritiya because
Samskridathil pesuvadu.
Samskritena Bhashanam Sambhashanam Saralam Asti.
Very Bahu Saranam.
Is very easy. Okay. Bahu saralam asti.
Hmm.
You did not tell me this yesterday. Tava
பவான் சொல்லலாம் இங்க.
tava
ம்.
na vadati. Yaha so tava. You did not tell me this yesterday. Bhavan yaha yaha na avadat.
விஷயம்.
Yaha
விஷயம்.
Bhavan yaha vishayam na avadat.
No, there is no Visayam here. Me, tell me. Me is
Me
there.
is
Oh,
there.
tell me. Maya Bhavan
Me is Dvitiya.
Ditya
Ditya.
mom.
Hmm.
Bhavan yaha mom no yaha na avadat.
Mom is correct.
Correct only, Mahoday.
Yeah.
What
Yaha
you said is
mom
correct. You have to tell it together, that's all.
Bhavan yaha mom
விஷயம்.
mom na avadat.
Etat na avadat.
This.
Oh, etat
This is
This
it.
is there, na?
திஸ்ன்னு கட்டலாம்.
etat na avadat.
We can also say etat na uktavan. Bhavan. Bhavan, if you use Bhavan, na uktavan.
Na uktavan. Okay.
When you say you, tvam, you cannot say avadat. Because it is Madhyama Purusha.
Oh.
Right. Okay.
Avadaha.
Bhavan
Then
is
it
Bhavan,
becomes
Avadaha.
yeah, that is right.
So
That's why it is easy to use the kridantas. Tavatu.
It is always easy to use Bhavan unless mentioned. Instead of you, Tvam, we always use Bhavan. Yeah.
yeah, that way we will always use Prathama Purusha. No confusion which one, whether there is a Visarga or not Visarga. So you
Right,
just use it.
I think in
Prathama,
Sanskrit,
correct.
that's why they have created this Bhavan Bhavati words for our only.
That's the past participle. I feel past participles are easy.
Yeah, very easy. They are
They
very
are
easy.
very easy. You don't have to worry about the,
Purusha.
Purushas and all. Like we don't like Visarga and all that. We don't have to worry.
Yeah, Ramurthy Mahoday, I can complete the two more.
Okay.
Traveling by bus is inexpensive. Bus is Lokayanam. Inexpensive is traveling is Pravasartham. Alla Prayanam. Lokayanena Prayanam. Lokayanena Prayanam. Inexpensive.
Nyuna Mulya.
Cheap.
Mulyam.
Nyuna Mulyam.
Nyuna Mulyam. Lokayanena Prayanam. Nyuna Mulyam.
Mulyaha. It is
Huh?
Mulyaha.
Nyuna Mulyaha.
Okay.
But if you say prayanam would mean travel. Here, traveling, the action word for that would be lokayanena.
Lokayanena Prayanam.
Prayanam word itself is it not just means travel, the noun and not traveling?
Traveling is also a noun form, right? Traveling.
But it would not be gamanam or
it is like
chala.
Bhavadyotak.
Bhavadyodaka.
So
It's like Bhavadyotaka. We can use like Bhavadyotaka.
is prayanam correct?
Think so. Lokayanena prayanam.
Traveling by bus.
Prayanam, I'm thinking prayanam is not an action word. It should be prayanam, like doing
So
prayanam.
it's not an action verb. Bhavadyotaka, they are like, they show that.
Yes, but here they're asking traveling, isn't it? So it's an action word. So we have to replace it with the, yeah. Travel by
gamanam
bus is, so if we say travel by bus is inexpensive, then lokayanena prayanam is alpamulyam or mulyam is fine. But traveling, I'm thinking, should we not be saying,
What do you want to say?
instead I'm saying prayanam word would be a replacement for travel and not traveling. Is not correct.
So
what
even
is the
if you
word for
use the
traveling?
word gamanam, it is the same
It
thing,
is
right?
same.
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah, gamanam, prayanam, both are same.
Traveling by bus, it's only a karanam only. Traveling by bus.
Or chalanam also. What about chalanam?
Yeah, I
It's
think
the
it should
same
also.
thing, right? Everything the same meaning,
In
right?
Bhavadyotaka only.
Lavanya Mohdya, travel by bus, here it will be inappropriate. That's not a correct English actually.
Traveling.
It as a normal verb, but here we are using as the action noun. So it is traveling only is correct.
So can it be said like lokayanena prayanam nyunam bhavati or nyunamulyam bhavati?
न्यूनमूल्यः भवति.
Lokayanena prayanam.
Mulya is a pullinga or napumsakalinga?
Mulyam is napumsakalinga, right?
Oh, okay. So then it will be mulyam.
But they have said in a different way. Lokayanena gachati chet vyaha nyunaha bhavati.
That's okay. We don't care about it.
Okay.
That is actually easy.
No, but that should come to our mind, right? It won't even come to the thought process to put it in.
After looking at the answer only, we get that idea.
Yeah.
And again, if chet is there, it would be if traveling by bus, Kalu.
Yes, if is not
Yeah,
there.
if it's not there, so we wouldn't even think about chet.
I think that is fine. Lokayanena prayanam nyunamulyam bhavati.
I have written the story in Sanskrit. Aham Sanskritena katam likami.
Have written.
Have written.
Past tense.
Oh, have written. Oh, it is okay. Aham Sanskritena katam alikat.
No, alikata.
Alikat.
Aham asti. That's why aham asti chet.
Likitava.
Oh.
If you are using the lung form, you have to go for uttama purusha ekavachanam.
Oh.
Alikaha, alikatam, alikata.
Okay.
Alikam.
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 Okay.
That's why we go for the Tavatu form.
Now you know why we go for Tavatu form.
So the Tavatu form is very easy.
Alikitavan.
Likhitavan.
Likitavan.
Huh?
No,
Likitavan eva. No need of
Likitavan. Oh, aham Sanskritena katam likitavan.
Or alikam.
Alikam.
Okay, so with this we are completed the translation parts also. Now I think Sandhi is left. So only 9 minutes are left. Shall we start now or in next class we'll start the Sandhi?
So are we doing the model question papers on the 11 and 12 from next class? What are we doing?
So how many classes we have actually?
Only 3 more, I think.
Okay, so maybe one class we will be able to finish the paper or not? One paper?
Yeah, one paper definitely we can finish in one class.
Okay, then 2 classes, last 2 classes they'll finish the 2 papers. Maybe next class we can do the Sandhi part.
Okay,
So
since we have just have a...
So Thursday,
right?
Thursday?
Your Thursday, yes.
Yeah.
Your
Thursday madhya kim vadat?
Yeah, so I thought, since we have just 10 minutes, we can continue with this translation in the model question paper so we can save time.
where is the
It is
model?
11, lesson 11, page,
Lesson 12.
yeah, lesson 12. Lesson 12, page, fill in the blanks. On page 220. E.
220.
E.
E.
220. Okay.
It's my turn,
Translate
right? Now?
into Sanskrit. Is that what you're talking?
Yeah, translate into Sanskrit. Okay.
Saraswati Mataji.
One is,
Hmm.
one is very good among 10 stories. One is very good among 10 stories. I can use either Shashti Vibhakti or Saptami Vibhakti. Among is coming. So, Dasha Kathanam,
Katha is Trilingam.
Strilingam. So, Katasu or Kathanam. Shashti or Saptami, either I can use.
Yeah.
Kathanam, right? Shashti?
I think among will go with Saptami.
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 Both.
No, not both. I think it is Saptami only.
Actually, it is both. Here, I think Saptami is more sounding nice. That's what it is.
Okay, that's okay. Katasu, but you can use both in case. In our first lesson, page
Shrestha
number
hava.
5. Yeah, I'm just when any person is singled out of a group, the word denoting the group takes a genitive case. Okay, or when a person is singled out of a group, locative case can be used instead of the genitive. So both are correct. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Kathanam or Katasu. Dasha Kathanam.
But dasha is you have to also Visheshanam.
Yeah.
Dasha is Visheshanam.
Yeah. Dasha. So Dashanam.
Ah.
Dashanam Kathanam. Eka, one Eka, because of the Katha. Eka Samyak. Very good.
Bahu Samyak.
Bahu Samyak or Bahu Unnatam.
Shrestha.
Unnata.
Eka Katha
Uttama.
Bahu.
So can you say the Purna Vakyam Madatu Punarapi?
Dashanam Kathanam Eka Uttama. Bahu Uttama. Bahu
Eka
is
Bahu.
Nityam, same, right? Bahu?
No, it also.
No, Bahu, it also declines.
So what is other way? Ati Uttama.
Ati is the easiest form.
Ati Uttama. Yeah, each one of us will take one.
Yeah.
So because go to the next one.
Good fruits are available in some shops. In some shops is Apanani, and some is Apanam. So
Is Apanaha not Pullinga?
Apana. Apanaha Pullingam eva.
Apanaha. So Apanaha. Then some is it will be Kaschit.
No, Apanaha is Pullingam ityukte, then it should be Keshu.
No.
Kashchit, right?
Saptami Vibhakti.
Yeah.
Keshuchit. Keshuchit.
Keshu.
Keshuchit Apanesu. Kesuchit Apanesu Samyak Falani Santi.
Uttamani Palani.
Okay, Uttamani Falani Santi.
Next is my turn.
Yeah, you can.
Dreams were seen by the young lady. Dreams, Swapnaha, were seen by the young lady. Tarunya, Swapnaha, Drishyante. tarunya swapnaha drishyante.
Let truth
Why
be spoken.
Drishyante? In
It is there.
there is
Karmani.
only one
Karmani.
lady.
कर्मणि
Yes,
तद्
by.
कर्मणि अतः स्वप्नाः दृश्यन्ते.
Oh, astu. Okay.
Dreams.
No,
Let
no, but drishyante is present, right? We have to make it past. Where seen?
Drishyante. Okay. Adrishyanta.
Ah.
Adrishyanta. Or we can go for ta pratyaya. That will be the
That
easiest
is
one.
simpler.
Yeah. Tarunya swapnaha drishtaha.
Yeah.
That will be the easiest.
Drishtaha.
Drishtaha. Yeah, we have to remember this, otherwise we keep forgetting. The easiest form we are difficult. We are forgetting.
Yeah, Lavanya Madhya, you can try.
let truth be spoken by all. Sarvaiः satyam let no lot of karmani like shamyatam, so udyatam. No. The satyam udyatam. Sarvaihi satyam udyatam.
Jaya Madhya, you can try.
Utitam.
Udyatam.
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 சொல்லப்பட வேண்டும்.
I was saying, sorry, Kshamyatam. I was saying a clue last time. If we are trying to do the karmani lot, immediately we can think Kshamyatam. Kshamyatam is a karmani lot form. So we can use that and immediately start that.
That's true. That's a very good tip.
Yeah, trick.
Lavanya
That's a
Madhya,
very nice
really.
trick.
Very nice tip. Because lot doesn't come easily. Suddenly, somewhere it will go. Okay.
Now that we have
God,
studied all the lakaras and kridantas, we don't know which is.
oh my
Getting
God,
more
yeah.
confused. Okay, Jaya Mahadya, go
God
ahead.
may give a boon. God may give a boon. May. Yeah, it is still lot.
No,
No. Vidiling,
May.
Vidiling.
Oh, Vidiling. Yeah, may, might. Yeah, Vidiling. Okay. Devaha varam dadyat.
Yes.
Dadyat.
So we want to just complete the next chapter also.
Yeah, there is one more. Translate into English is there. Next page.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Jayanti Mahadya.
Vayam natakam abhineyam.
Nayem. Nayema.
Abhineyama.
Abhineyama. Vayam, it should say us. We, natakam is drama. We are acting in the, we may act in the drama.
Abhinayema, which lakara is it?
Abhinayema.
You told the answer correctly by saying might.
Again, Anilji is confusing you.
I thought sort of.
Might will come for. Might will come for. You told the answer correctly, but he's asking why the reason.
It is, I think that Vidilinga.
Correct.
Okay. I guess it was. Okay. So next one should I do
or Krishnamurti Mahadya?
Okay.
Ramamurti Mahadya.
Ramamurti, sorry. I don't know. I'm sorry. Ramamurti Mahadya.
Vaidyena avastaha
Asvastaha.
Parishilitaha.
Asvastaha.
Oh, asvastaha. Vaidyena asvastaha. Doctor.
So first you identify the Kriya Padam and its Lakara or Kridanta Rupa.
Parishilitaha is the Karma Padam.
Karma Padam. Which is it a Lakara or Tavatu? Krudanta.
Parishilitaha. This is a nama padam. Parishilitaha.
Yes.
That is correct.
Ah,
Ta pratyaya, that is ta pratyaya.
Ta pratyaya, parishilitaha. That is bahuvachanam.
So ta pratyaya means it will be in karmani.
Karmani. Okay.
Correct.
Vaidyena. So
when I do the translation from Sanskrit to English, I do the broken English. Okay, first I'll take Vaidyena. What
Vaidyena,
is it?
by the doctor.
My doctor. Asvastaha.
Asvastaha is what? Patient?
யாருன்னா சொஸ்தம் இல்லையோ
Patients. There is plural, so patients.
So patients were examined by the doctor.
See, that's what. So you use the broken English, it will fall into place.
Thank you.
Okay, next.
Good
it's-
tip,
it's-
Saraswati Mahodaya.
Okay. निर्देशकेन अभिनेत्रयः अस्मर्यन्त. So निर्देशकेन, this can be darshakah is director. Director. So by the director, abhinetrayah is actresses. Asmaryantah. Asmaryanta is this is again this is lung lakara.
Lung and yakara is also there.
So were remembered.
Karmani, actually it is karmani lung.
Yeah, karmani lung, were remembered by who? So the actresses were remembered by the director.
Yeah.
Okay. Next.
Lavanya, you want to try?
अतिथिभिः उपविश्यतां कर्मणि लोट्. So let the guests sit down.
Yeah. Next is that my turn.
Yeah.
Grihinibihi karyani akriyanta. Grihinibihi, by the housewives, work akriyanta. So this is karmani lang, bahuvachanam. So the work were done by the housewives.
Done.
You want to finish with the prayer, Akila Mahodaya? It's
Yeah.
done. Time is done.
Yeah, you can finish.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम् पुनर्मिलामः
धन्यवादः. Next week are we doing Sandhi or question?
We'll finish this.
Sundays also you have a class, right?
Yes,
Sunday also Sandhi, right?
Yeah, Sandhi. This week we have Sandhi.
At what time do you have it on Sunday?
8:30 IST Sunday.
8:30. Saraswati Mahodaya, what will it be?
For us, it is 10 o'clock our time. Columbus time,
EST.
Eastern Standard Time, EST.
Okay.
Which is 8 o'clock for us.
9
9
EST,
o'clock.
9 o'clock for us.
9
Okay.
o'clock, right?
Morning, right?
Morning.
Yeah, morning.
Sabera.
Okay, thank you.